Mix it up. Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Really easy, and it's 2x2. I have a 3x3, 2x2, 4x4, and a lot of other Rubik's Cubes I'll be showing you. So this is my Rubik's Cube that I'm going to be using today. It's a Rubik's brand. Don't judge me, by the way. Don't judge me. I also have a 2x2 that's not a Rubik's brand, but I'm using the Rubik's brand because I don't really don't care if it breaks. Because I hate Rubik's brands, but I have to buy it because it's expensive. You have to get mail. So whatever. Let's do the tutorial. So first, what you want to do is you want to make any side. So I'll make the white side because it's the most recognizable, easier. And look, I solved one layer already. You do not want that. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I just cut the video. So now I have this. Make sure you don't have all of them solved. Make sure you only have one of the two colors. So you want these two colors facing the opposite of you. So the opposite of you. So sorry if I'm showing you, but make sure it's the opposite of you. If it was like this, then that won't be good. So I couldn't solve it. So now what you want to do to solve all the sides is to turn it like this, turn it like this, turn it down, move it up, turn it down, and then do this, and then do this. You have the red, the blue, the orange, and then the green. So now what you want to do is you want to solve the other side. You want to turn it around. So this is at the bottom. And what you want to do is you want to solve the yellow side without messing on this. What you want to do is you want to bring this up, bring that down, bring it like this, bring it down, like that, bring it up. Let's do that again because that didn't work. See? It didn't work again, so let's try that again. Oops. Okay. Sorry about that. So continue the pattern. Sorry for that cut. So we're still not done. So now we're finally, let's see this. No, we're not done yet. So, sorry for the cut again. My mom was talking to me. I always do cuts. Ah, come on, we're so close. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, I finally did it. So if you have it, this needs to be here and this needs to be here. So now, what you want to do is you want to do the same old pattern, okay? So now, we have the yellow solved and the white solved. Now, what you want to do is turn this block. So now we have the red solved, the yellow solved, and the white solved. So the last step, or last algorithm, is make sure that this side is facing the opposite of you. The yellow's up top, and the white's on the bottom. It has to be like that. It has to be. If it's not, then it's not solved. What you want to do is, it's easy. It's very easy. All you have to do is do this, turn this, then turn this down, do it like this. I'm not editing this, by the way. Then turn this 3 times, then turn that down. Sorry if I'm covering it. See, like that. And then turn it like that. One more turn. Okay, congratulations, guys. You have solved your Rubik's Cube. So see you later, guys. Bye.